Travel and Tyler style. We're at the Air France Lounge at CDG, Charles de Gaulle, Paris, France, Terminal 2E, Hall L. Let's go. Another airport lounge video. I recently became Sky Priority. This is new to me. I had a friend that's a million miler with Delta. She was like, hey, I can gift you Sky Priority. Do you want it? I'm typically Star Alliance. I'm a 1K million miler with United Airlines. It's always been my loyalty, but it's wavering. And I was like, yeah, let's do it. This is my first chance. Let's check it out. First things first, the food was okay. I'm not going to go as far and say it's incredible or it's amazing or life-changing, none of that. But it was pretty good. I had 7 hours at this lounge. Lunch and dinner. That's how I like to do it though. I had an opportunity to see everything the lounge had to offer from a food standpoint, and I don't know, it was okay. I'm trying to give it the benefit of the doubt. But the one thing I really liked about this lounge is it's very spacious, spread out, easy to get a seat. They had a lot of unique things that I definitely liked. Air France actually has 6 lounges at CDG, all in Terminal 2. They have 3 lounges in 2E, 2 lounges in 2F, and 1 lounge in 2G. That's crazy. It's really hard to go lounge hopping though because of security. So you're really stuck with the one Air France lounge that's near your gate. But that's okay. So I'm not really sure if this is one of the better Air France lounges or one of the worst. I don't know. Hopefully somebody in the comments can let me know. But from my perspective, I definitely liked it. Though I did have a guy come up to me and he was like, hey, you can't record videos in this lounge, one of the workers. And I was like, all right, man, I'll delete it. I was like, this is gonna go up on YouTube. I'll probably get like 200 views or something. You sure you don't want to be on it? He made me delete it. Then actually, he made me go to my recently deleted videos and delete it out of that. He was pretty adamant about me not recording, and that's okay. I mean, I always find a way around it, clearly, as you can see. Though I think mostly he was concerned with the fact that he was in the video. I don't really know. I've dealt with every scenario possible over the years doing these lounge videos. I've had people get upset. I've had people love it. I've had people try to get on camera. I've had people avoid camera. I've been kicked out of lounges. I've had the general manager of lounges come up to me and ask to do an interview. I mean, it's all over the road. So when I go in to do an airport lounge video, I never really know what to expect. One thing that kind of made me upset about this video is I was here for so long and I had no idea they had a spa. That kind of frustrated me. I realized that later. It's called the Clarence Spa. Not that I would have done it anyway. Never been to a spa in my life, but I at least would have showed you. So just so you know, according to the Google, there is a spa at this lounge. And supposedly there's also some kind of a sauna. It's amazing to me that I never figured that out when I was there. But a lot of times when I go to airport lounges, I go to YouTube and type in the airport I'm going to and figure out the lounges. And I actually watch these lounge videos. So that's what I'm hoping you do with this. By the way, I'm not actually walking this fast. I sped it up. But the goal is to try to show you how long this lounge is. I mean, from one end to the other, it probably takes 5 minutes to walk. It's very spread out. That's one thing I really like about it. I'm trying to imagine in my head, if this lounge is this big, what do the other 5 lounges look like? I have no idea. But hopefully I'll be back sometime to Charles de Gaulle and hopefully I can visit some of the other lounges. Going into this back room, which always kind of makes me feel a little weird when I roll in and people are sleeping and I'm recording. Seems kind of strange to me, but I do it anyway. And lucky for me that there wasn't really anybody sleeping this time around. I do try to respect people's privacy the best that I can. Heading back up. I'm just showing you this so you can see that they have showers. That's a common question I always get on my lounge videos is, do they have showers? A lot of times I'm not really sure, though there are different times I've actually showered at the lounge and I can give a first-hand experience on the video and explain it. But this lounge does have showers for you guys out there that are wondering. They have a pasta station where they cook fresh pasta. That's cool. I actually felt like this was the best food the lounge had to offer. They put some kind of a cream sauce on it. Still not sure exactly what that is. And then some Parmesan cheese. Can't go wrong with that. 2 thumbs up for the pasta station and the lady working at it. She did a great job. It was delicious. Now I'm going to read this directly off the internet. Entry depends on the following criteria. Class of service. Business class or premier passengers on Air France or a SkyTeam airline. Please note, Delta Premium Select does not automatically grant entry. Elite status. SkyTeam Elite Plus members, including Air France and KLM Flying Blue Gold Platinum and Delta Gold Platinum Diamond Medallion, flying on the same day SkyTeam flight, regardless of the class of service. Paid access, available at certain lounges depending on capacity, starting at around 70 euros or 11,000 blue miles. You can add this during check-in or at the reception desk. And credit cards. Select premium credit cards that offer Priority Pass may offer access to partner third-party lounges at CDG, but they do not grant entry into Air France-operated lounges. So there you go. That's the breakdown. Overall, I really like this lounge. I have nothing but good things to say about it. I mean, I had a long time here, and quite frankly, I wish I had more time. Another thing I like about the Air France lounges is they have self-serve champagne. I like that. Nobody can tell me no more, sir. That's definitely a positive, and that's a great part about being in France. This is what I got. Travel and Tyler style, CDG, Charles de Gaulle, Air France, Terminal 2E, Hall L. Subscribe to my channel. I got a lot of videos coming. This is what I do. I'm a world traveler. Till next time, I'm out.